Hi, I'm Ryan Innings, and today I'm going to show you how to install your ZFlash into your company vehicle.
You should have received a splitter that will allow you to plug in your ZFlash and your GPS into the OBD2 port.
Your OBD2 port is located under the dash under your steering wheel.
Once you've located your OBD2 port, you should have your GPS plugged in. You're just gonna unplug this. You have your GPS unplugged and you have your adapter and your new ZFlash. You plug those in. Now that we've got our ZFlash and our GPS connected to a single OBD2 port, we can plug it back in right under the dash. Just like that.
After you have both plugged in, you turn your car into the on position and wait for about 15 seconds for it to reboot.
Once the ZFlash has flashed red, that means it's ready for use. Space under by the foot pedals where you can shove this wire up in here for safekeeping.
You may also experience some beeping from your GPS as it's reactivating.
Once you have everything installed correctly, you pull in on the blinkers for 5 seconds. You'll notice your blinkers begin to flash, which means it's working. Your blinkers and headlights will begin to flash and alternate. As well as your tail lights and backup light. To shut the ZFlash off, you just pull in one time on the headlights. And now they're off.